Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this mist replacement filter. So this is a LG fridge. You want to look at what model number you have for the fridge and see what the corresponding filter is. And so this one, as you can see, compatible with LG. And I'm going to go ahead and change the filter on my fridge and show you how it's done. It's super easy. This is what the filter looks like. Opening up the filter here. Comes in plastic wrapping so it doesn't get dirty. It actually comes with these stickers to put on the filter so you can remember when you last changed it. I have my refrigerator connected to the ThinQ app, so it automatically notifies me. These are the instructions. It does say that you have to flush 2.5 gallons of water through the dispenser before you can start using it to drink the water. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to fill up 10 or 15 of these cups and get some water out. So it comes with this cap. You just take that off. Inside here, so for mine, you just push from the sides and pull down, but you might have something where you have to twist, and then you're just gonna unscrew it like so, and it comes out. So this is the old one. So as you might have noticed, there was some water that came out, so I'm just gonna wipe that off with a towel here just to make sure it's dry. Once you have done that, if you notice here, there are notches where it's supposed to sit in place. So we're gonna try to just twist that in place just like that. So it's just clockwise to twist it in and counterclockwise to remove it. And that's it, it's installed. Once you have it installed, you're gonna press and hold this for a few seconds, and it's gonna reset your water filter. Now this one's giving me a notification for the air filter as well, so I'm gonna order that and replace that as well. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.